Hello, 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 hello. Welcome back to Big Spirit Energy with your girl, Miss Spirit. So you're about to watch my skincare routine video, my first time trying Be Transcendent skin products. And I shot this video a couple months ago when I first got the products, but I waited to release it until I could actually spend some time using the products and seeing whether or not I really like them. So look at my skin. This is a place in my room with really good lighting, so I'm half cheating, but I wanted you to be able to see, like, in the last 2 months, I've experienced minimal bumps, minimal like scarring. My face has gone down, and anytime any bump thinks about coming up, it just gets healed and washed away, and it's gone. It's gone. So I am an advocate for this video that you're about to watch. I do support these products, and you can save $4 on the entire system with my code ENERGY. So now you're going to see how I use these products for the last 2 months, and I hope you enjoy. And if you are dealing with problematic skin, I actually do recommend them. They are natural, they are healthy for the skin, and they're not harsh, but they have helped with keeping the glow and keeping any scarring away. So that's all I can ask for, not to irritate my skin and to not make it worse. All right. What's inside that box? Spirit said, what's inside that box? What's inside that box? Spirit said, what's inside that box? Hey, what's inside that box? Spirit said, what's inside it? What's up, everybody? It's your girl, Miss Spirit, with the hot energy. Coming, about to give you something new and clean. It's your boo, Miss Spirit. Ting! Hi, everybody. I am here with an unboxing. The unboxing of a new skincare line, Be Transcendent. So I've been looking for a full system to use on my face, and if it's made with that black girl magic, I'm even more inclined to try it, because I feel that melanated skin needs natural properties to help it shine and glow. So today we're going to unbox the Be Transcendent skincare product line, the full set. I got it for myself. This ain't no paid advertisement, baby. If you want to send me a check, cha-ching, I'll take it. So let's get into it. Let's see what it is. Before we get started, the mantra of the day is, I will shine from the inside and out. Let's take a deep breath. I will shine from the inside and out. Woo! All right, y'all. We get into it. I don't know what's in here, but my face is dirty and I need to wash it. So we about to find out about it. We gon' find out about it, Cutting it open just so you can stay informed. Looky look, cookie cook. Ugh, get in there. I love opening packages. It's like getting Christmas in July. Whew. Okay, you guys. Who's ready? We're doing this together. Okay. Popcorn. Let me just dump all that out. Ooh. You glow, babe. And there is the magic right there. So excited to take this out and see what we're talking about. Okay, so first things first, we have recharge. Recharge. We have recharge. This is their cleanser, the Be Transcendent cleanser. Love the packaging. We'll set that right there. Then we have balance. Hello, balance. This is their toner. Okay. Then we've got nourish, honey, nourish. Nourish is the day moisturizer from Be Transcendent. Love it. And then we've got realignment, the nighttime serum. Yummy. Okay, well, the packaging looks great. I mean, look at the girl's glow. The packaging looks great. I'm so excited to try it out. What I'm going to go do now is make a shift to the bathroom, try out the 3-step process, the cleanser, the toner, and then the daytime moisturizer. And we'll see how your girl is glowing at the end of that. Be Transcendent. Good job. So first things first, I decided to rinse my face and use the cleanser. Now the cleanser is very light, so when I have light cleansers, I like it because my skin is sensitive. But what's important for me to know is that on days when I wear my makeup, I need to wash twice. I always wash my skin twice when I wear makeup just to make sure nothing's left. So now that I'm all rinsed off, it's good, it's good. I'm gonna do a pat dry for the sake of this video. You do not have to dry your face with a towel. You can fan till the cows come home, honey. Now I'm gonna use a toner. Toning is a step that I did not know was so crucial when it comes to your skincare routine. But basically it pulls any of the extra residue or dirt that the cleanser didn't get. And it also starts to heal any scarring or acne. So now I love toner. Oh yeah, getting all the places. Make sure it's nasty. And then I follow up with the moisturizer. The moisturizer is amazing to me because as someone with oily skin, I find that my skin likes oil to be added on there. So this moisturizer is healing my scars and making me shine, baby. Ooh, 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 ooh. I might have got a little heavy-handed on the moisturizer, but y'all, I am in love with the finished result. I have a good feeling. Every product smelled like essential oils, something natural, which is what I love on my skin because I'm a human. I'm made of earth. So I like to use the earth to go back in and replenish and nourish my skin on a regular basis. So finding products that are natural based is so important to me. And I love this. I mean, the shine is already crazy. But I think if I just used a little bit less moisturizer, it would not look like this because it does do a lot. But be transcendent. Love the product. Thanks for checking out my videos. Don't forget to subscribe to Spirited Culture. And, you know, tell a friend to come on over and join the fam. Leave a comment. Love you. Mwah. Hey y'all, so I wanted to put this video out after I had actually spent a couple months using the product from them, and I love it. Be Transcendent Skin. I'm still glowing. My skin is getting better and better, and even if I get any minor bumps, which I rarely ever get now, they go away quickly. So I would say that this is a great product. Highly recommend. And you can use my code ENERGY to save $4 off the entire system. So again, I shot this video 2 months ago when I first got the products, but I didn't think it was appropriate to put it out until I actually tried the products and was able to give a full review. So look at me. Look at it. Ooh, yes. So the glow is good. You can see like my scars have gone down even more, and I am highly impressed.